Welcome to the Tetrion All-Purpose Filler how-to video, where we'll show you how it can be used to tackle a variety of fills in and around the home. Tetrion All-Purpose Filler is a versatile, multi-surface filler suitable for many applications, such as wood, plaster, and stone, giving you a smooth and lasting finish each time. All-purpose filler is great for repairing damaged wood. You'll need to start by removing any loose chipped pieces of wood and sanding down to even the surface. Pour the all-purpose filler into clean water and mix using your spatula. For this repair, we'll be using 100 grams filler and 40 milliliters water. Then simply apply the filler to the area as required. There'll be no need to use a wet trowel to finish off, as a smooth finish can be achieved by lightly backcombing the filler. Clean off any tools you've used to apply the product as soon as possible, preferably while still wet. Allow to dry for 2 hours. Sand down and allow a further 24 hours to dry before painting. Do allow extra time for deeper fills to dry, as this will reduce the risk of dark spots forming after painting. All-purpose filler is also a great product to use for filling a hole or crack in your plaster wall or plasterboard. Use Tetrion Primer Bonder to help stabilize and seal the surface and stop any loose dust from interfering with the filler. After 20 minutes, apply the filler and sand down after 2 hours. Paint over the filler and watch your wall look as good as brand new. All-purpose filler can also be used on brickwork. When preparing a wall outside, always make sure that the wall is dry, as bricks may consist of water damage which may cause them to collapse. Once the filler is applied, allow 48 hours for the product to dry and cover the area with polythene to protect it from bad weather. Simply paint and you'll have a smooth, clean finish. Tetrion All-Purpose Filler can also be used on concrete drill holes, external masonry, multi-surface repairs, and settlement cracks in and around the home. Tetrion. Fill, stick, bond.